Geometrical shapes. Objective: to learn basic geometrical shapes, point, line, ray and line segment. To differentiate between line, ray, line segment and curve. Let us try and locate some of the locations on the globe. Now let us try and identify some locations on the graph paper. What we have seen or done is unknowingly use the basic or fundamental concept of geometry. In fact, we have indicated the locations by using the idea of point in geometry. Point is a location. It has no length, no breadth, no height. Thus, a point is a zero-dimensional object. The points are represented by using uppercase letters. Take two wire rolls. Join the ends of both the wire rolls. Now allow both the rolls to extend freely in the opposite direction without forming a slack. Both the rolls can roll infinitely on either side. Arrows indicate the respective direction in which they are moving infinitely. This geometrical shape does not have any end points. Such a geometrical shape is known as a line. It is denoted by symbol line AB or line BA, that is, the reference points having a bar with double arrow on the top. Now, let us fix one clamp on the wire. The starting point or initial point C is fixed, but the other side goes on extending infinitely. The geometrical shape has a starting point and the other end is extending infinitely. Such a geometrical shape is known as a ray. A ray is also a portion of a line. It is denoted by ray CB. The initial point or fixed point C comes first, and the direction in which the ray moves is selected as second point. Ray CB, that is the reference points having bar with single arrow on the top. Let there be another clamp and we fix it on the wire at some distance from the point C. Name the second clamp at point D. This geometrical shape has two end points. Also, the distance between point C and point D can be measured. Such a geometrical shape is known as line segment. It also means that it is part of a line. It is denoted by line segment CD or DC, that is the end points with a bar on the letters. Point C and point D are the end points of the line segment. It may be noted that a line is one-dimensional object. Now cut the wire from point C and point D. Bend the cut portion to form a curve. This curve so formed is called an open-ended curve. When we join both the endpoints, we get a closed curve. Some of these drawings can be drawn without lifting the pen from the paper and without the use of a ruler. These are all curves. Curve in everyday usage means not straight, but in geometry, curve means anything that can be drawn on a paper. On comparing all the above geometrical shapes, lines have arrows on both the sides, while rays have one end point and other side has an arrow. The line segments have two end points. All the three appear to be straight and are called straight curves, but it may be noted that lines or rays or line segment are basically curves. Curve may have two end points or no end point. Summary: point is a location and has no dimension. Union of points extending infinitely in both the directions is represented as a line. A portion of a line that starts at one point and goes on endlessly in one direction is called a ray. A part of a line having two endpoints is known as a line segment. Drawings drawn without lifting the pen from the paper and without the use of a ruler are known as curves.